I'm Seana Smith along with Dave Briggs. Let's get you up to speed on today's rally as we kick off the final hour of trading. You're looking at the Dow up just over 800 points. S&P also holding on to gains up nearly 2.5%. Taking a look at the Nasdaq 100, that's rallying 3% today above 11,500. If you take a look at the action that we have seen over the past 5 trading days, starting with the Dow, you can see the Dow over the last 5 days up just around 5.5%, on track for its 4th straight winning week. Taking a look at the S&P 500, that's also in the green over the last 5 days, up nearly 4%. The Nasdaq 100, we have certainly seen a wild swings here play out in the tech sectors. We've gotten a number of disappointing results from some of those larger cap tech names, but despite all of that, Nasdaq 100 on track to close the week up nearly 2%. And taking a look at some of the action that we've seen playing out in the bond market, the 10-year yield pushing higher once again today, back above 4%. And you can see the 30-year yield also pushing to the upside right around 4.14. Taking a look inside at some of those individual movers, the Nasdaq 100, I mentioned some of the disappointing results. Amazon, their guidance for the 4th quarter falling short of what the street was expecting. We're seeing that reflected in the move today, off just around 7%. Apple, on the other hand, beating expectations on both the top and bottom lines and really helping to reassure some investors out there that maybe it's not as bad as it had initially seemed for tech, at least for Apple, to say the least. That's stuck up just around 7.7% today. And taking a look at the broader market action as we count down to the final hour of trading, all 11 of the S&P sectors trading to the upside. Technology, real estate, communication services among the leaders there. Energy also a big story today, up just around 0.5%. If you take a look at some of those individual names, Exxon was out with its earnings report this morning. That stock up just around 3%, beating the street's estimates there, as well as Chevron. You can see Chevron moving to the upside, up just around 0.6%, Dave.